here with a super easy applesauce recipe. We went apple picking with the family, and so we decided to make some applesauce since our kids go through so much applesauce. So follow along as we make this crock-pot applesauce, and also we will insert some footage right here of our trip apple picking with the family. Make sure to like and subscribe. We would love for you to be a part of the Hill family also. All right, I hope you guys love the applesauce.
I walk to you so I can be close to you. It's really simple if you look at it that way. Time that we get by with money we don't know. Pockets empty but ours are full anyway. Hey. Playing like children and love like R&J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head. You talk to me like breeze, running free, beautiful images everywhere. Yeah. You take a picture of us kissing in cars, it makes my day 10 times better. Yeah. Playing like children and love like R&J. You were too good for me, but I wanted you anyway. I always loved you over my head, even when you lived alone to make your parents mad. Say goodbye to your old life, turn the page, fall on my bed. I don't care if loving you over my head.
Okay, all of the apples are cut up, and in our crock pot, it goes on high for 4 hours. I put a little bit of brown sugar and cinnamon. I will link everything below in the description box, and we'll be back to see the finished product.
Inside the cake, and they don't look like they're all super weird looking. And since caves can be so close to one another, it's not uncommon for scientists to find new species inside of them.
Okay, so here is the finished product. I actually only had mine on for 3 hours and it worked out perfectly. Everything is soft. So I would try 3 hours on high, and again, I'll list everything in the description box below. And now we will taste it. The taste test. It's hot.
What? That is good. I give it 1,000,000. A plus with a 1 0 0 0 and a 1 and a 0.
Do you think applesauce is better hot or cold?
Hot.
Probably really good. I saw my friend at Big Stuff, not Big Stuff, Cheese and Crackers, Small Stuff, Big Family. Her name is Laura. And they made applesauce and they put it over vanilla ice cream. And honestly, I hadn't seen that before. So if you guys, I'll link her channel down below also, but you can definitely go put it over some applesauce. Warm would be so delicious.
Can you put vanilla ice cream over it?
All right, you guys, say bye.
Bye.
Make sure to hit that red subscribe button for more recipes, read-alouds, and children's ideas. Oh yeah, so good. Subscribe.